The Voyager 280 RC Sailboat offers the convenience of a detachable electric motor, ensuring fun sailing experiences both indoors and outdoors, even when the wind is still. With no assembly required, this sailboat is perfect for spontaneous adventures in the pool or pond, making it an ideal choice for beginners and seasoned sailors alike. The three-channel control system enhances the sailing experience by allowing precise adjustments to the sail angle, providing superior handling and maneuverability. Equipped with two 9-gram servos and a 3.7-volt 150 mAh lithium polymer battery, the sailboat promises efficient power management and extended sailing sessions. The inclusion of a built-in battery charger within the transmitter adds to the convenience, ensuring that your sailboat is always ready for action. Designed to handle complex environments, the motor allows the sailboat to move forward and backward, preventing it from getting trapped or stranded away from the shore.